Exploring colorful language. Orangish Tint. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a colorful phrase that often pops up in English descriptions. Orangish tint. Whether you're describing a sunset or the color of a fruit, understanding this phrase will add flair to your English conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, orangish tint, refers to a color that is not purely orange but has a hint or slight influence of orange. It's like adding a splash of orange paint to another color. This section will help us recognize and use this phrase accurately in different contexts. Orangish combines the name of the color orange with the suffix ish. In English, adding ish to a color word means that something is similar to that color but not exactly that color. Tint refers to a subtle addition of color. Put them together, and you have a color that is somewhat orange but mixed with other colors. Let's see how orangish tint can be used. Imagine describing a sunset with an orangish tint. It's not just orange. It's orange mixed with the pinks and purples of the evening sky. Or consider a white wall that catches the glow of a nearby orange lamp. It might take on an orangish tint. When using orangish tint, remember that it's best for subtle descriptions. It's a nuanced phrase that adds depth to your observations about color, especially when you're trying to convey the delicate changes in hue and shade. And that's a wrap on orangish tint. I hope this video has brightened your understanding of describing colors in English. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add a little color to your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!